Assalamualaikum and very good day. I want to present about Project Engineering Mathematics. We from Group 2 Section C. This is our group member. First, me, NURSYAZWIY bin Muhammad Noh, Muhammad AIDID bin Muhammad AZLAN, AHMAD SAIFUL bin ASMIZAM, ZULFADHLI bin ZULKEFLI, and MUHAMAD AFIF DANISH bin AZELI. For list of content, first, introduction, methodology, filler table, solution and result, discussion and conclusion. For my part is introduction. Engineering mathematics, a branch of applied mathematics, a focus on strategies and procedure used in engineering and industry. It includes topics like calculus, differential equation, linear algebra, probability and statistics, essential for engineering education and practice. These principles help engineers analyze and solve complex problems and are crucial for technological development. Beyond equation, engineering mathematics involve logic, abstraction, generalization, and problem-solving skills, enabling engineers to make decisions with incomplete information. This report uses multiple integrals, a key concept in engineering mathematics, to solve problems, explaining their application and key ideas. Next, for problem statement. A spherical storage tank with a radius of 5 meters has been built underground to store hazardous chemicals. After 10 years, several corrosion caused the tank to leak, releasing dangerous contaminants. Contaminants spread uniformly up to 10 meters from the tank, and the density of the soil is 1,500. For objective, first, to calculate the total mass of pollutant released into the soil. Second, to allow engineers to neutralize the contaminant hazardous area.
We move to the methodology. Application of single variable integral to function involving many variables are referred to as multiple integral. In engineering words, multiple integral frequently used to determine the volume and mass calculation. The step for evaluating multiple integral is: first, identify the limit of each integration for each variable. Second, choose an order of integral which can affect the ease of computation. Third, evaluate the integral iteratively, solving the innermost integral first. And the last one, simplify the resulting expression to obtain the final value. In our project, we use triple integral. Triple integral are used when you integrate three variables x, y, z for three-dimensional region. The formula of triple integral is shown in the slide.
Filler table. Fact that state in the project is: the first, the spherical storage leak and releasing the hazardous contaminant to the surrounding soil. And the second one is the contaminant concentration inside the spherical storage tank can be defined as negative 5z minus 30 equal to x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus 25 kg per meter cube. Ideas that can be generated is: the first one is need to identify the mass of contaminated materials that immerse the soil to neutralize hazardous soil. And the second one needs to determine spherical storage tank that hold hazardous contaminant. About the issue, how to calculate contaminant volume and how to calculate total mass. The lastly, action plan or resources needed. The first one is by using spherical coordinate and triple integral. Next, by using total mass formula equal to density divided by volume. And the third one, discuss with group members to solve problem. And the fourth one, reference from book and internet.
From the problem statement, we can obtain many information to solve the problem. The range for R are 5 to 10 as the radius of tank and spread of the contaminants. The range for theta are from 0 to 2 pi, meanwhile for range for phi are 0 to pi. The given functions from environmental engineers can be seen as sphere shape and placed below plane XY. It was simulation as the tank buried under the soil level. And lastly, to calculate the mass of the contaminants, we also need to consider the soil density around the tank. To solve this problem, we use given function and convert it to the spherical coordinate function. Next, we proceed with triple integration with given information to find contaminant volume. As a result, we get negative 83,333.32 pi cubic meter. The reason we got this negative because we simulate the sphere buried under soil level using function given. So, we can ignore this for the next calculation. Next, we multiply contaminants volume with soil density to obtain mass of contaminants. We then obtain 392.70 times to the 10 power of 9 kilogram as the result of the leakage from the storage tanks and needed to neutralize by environmental engineers.
From the contaminated soil that we calculate above, we can planning for cleaning up contaminated soil is important to manage costs and resource effectively. The first step are investigating site. Take the sample soil, analyze them in the lab to understand the contamination. There are different methods for cleaning the soil. First, in situ, where the chemical agents or heat are used directly in the ground. And ex situ, where the soil is dug up and treated above ground. Common technique include digging up and removing the soil, using natural process to cleaning it, heating it to remove contaminants, using the chemical to break down the contaminants, and washing the soil. Continuous monitoring ensure the cleaning up is working and meets the safety standards. After the cleaning up, ongoing checks are needed to prevent new contaminant and confirm the long-term success of remediation.
For the conclusion, in conclusion, calculation of spherical coordinates, triple integral, and total mass formula apply on this project. By solving this equation, students can know and be wise to solve problem related to the sphere area as stated in the question, which is spherical storage that holds hazardous contaminant. With this calculation, damage of soil due to chemical can be also calculated and can be neutralized. For the recommendation, the problem that we found on this project was about the leakage of the spherical storage tank. In order to prevent this from happening, our recommendation is the spherical storage tank should be remeasured, expand in size and also strength. It's so that leakage of chemical can be avoided.